This one vegetable has been a nutritional powerhouse for centuries, packed with vitamins, gut-friendly benefits, and even ancient medicinal secrets. But did you know it's also one of the most sustainable crops on the planet? Napa cabbage, a staple in East Asian cuisine, traces its origins to China, where it has been cultivated for centuries. Its history is deeply intertwined with traditional agriculture and culinary practices, spreading from China to Korea, Japan, and other parts of Asia before gaining popularity worldwide. A hybrid between the turnip and bok choy, Napa cabbage belongs to the Brassica family, which includes nutrient-dense vegetables like broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts. Early Chinese farmers prized it for its hardiness and adaptability, as it could thrive in cooler temperatures and provided a reliable food source during the winter months. Over time, its cultivation spread along trade routes, becoming a fundamental ingredient in regional dishes such as kimchi in Korea and hot pot in China. Today, it is grown in various parts of the world, including the United States and Europe, where it is appreciated for both its delicate flavor and its impressive health benefits. Napa cabbage is a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a rich source of vitamins and minerals essential for overall health. It is particularly high in vitamins C and K, which play a crucial role in immune function and blood clotting, respectively. Additionally, it contains folate, an essential nutrient for cell growth and DNA synthesis, making it especially beneficial for pregnant women. Its high water content keeps the body hydrated, while its fiber aids digestion and supports a healthy gut microbiome. Napa cabbage is also packed with antioxidants, such as beta-carotene and polyphenols, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. These compounds are linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Unlike some other leafy greens, Napa cabbage is low in oxalates, making it a safe choice for individuals prone to kidney stones or calcium absorption issues. The benefits of Napa cabbage extend beyond nutrition, as it has been a key ingredient in traditional medicine for centuries. In Chinese medicine, it is considered a cooling food that helps balance internal heat, making it useful for conditions such as fever, inflammation, and digestive discomfort. Its high fiber content aids in detoxification by promoting regular bowel movements and reducing bloating. The presence of sulfur-containing compounds, similar to those found in garlic and onions, contributes to its natural antibacterial and immune-boosting properties. These compounds also support liver function by aiding in detoxification pathways and reducing the body's toxin load. Regular consumption of Napa cabbage has been associated with improved digestion, reduced inflammation, and enhanced metabolic health. Its light and crisp texture make it an excellent dietary choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight, as it is low in calories yet highly filling. Culinary versatility is another major advantage of Napa cabbage, as it can be enjoyed raw, fermented, stir-fried, or added to soups and stews. In Korean cuisine, it is the primary ingredient in kimchi, a fermented dish known for its probiotic benefits and ability to improve gut health. In Chinese cuisine, it is often used in dumplings, hot pots, and stir-fries, where its tender leaves absorb flavors beautifully. Japanese cuisine incorporates it into nabe, hot pot dishes, and pickles, showcasing its mild yet slightly sweet taste. In Western countries, it has become a popular addition to salads and slaws, offering a refreshing crunch and a boost of nutrients. Its mild flavor makes it an excellent alternative to lettuce or other greens, while its ability to retain texture during cooking enhances a wide range of dishes. The versatility of Napa cabbage not only enhances culinary creativity but also ensures a nutrient-dense diet for those who incorporate it into their meals regularly. Sustainability is another noteworthy aspect of Napa cabbage cultivation. It is a relatively low-maintenance crop that requires fewer resources compared to other vegetables, making it an environmentally friendly choice. It grows quickly, allowing for multiple harvests in a single season, which contributes to food security and reduced agricultural waste. Additionally, its ability to thrive in cooler climates extends the growing season, making it an ideal crop for regions with shorter summers. Farmers appreciate its resistance to pests and diseases, which reduces the need for chemical pesticides and promotes organic farming practices. As the demand for nutrient-rich, sustainable foods continues to rise, Napa cabbage stands out as a valuable crop that supports both human health and ecological balance. Whether enjoyed for its rich nutritional profile, medicinal properties, culinary flexibility, or environmental benefits, Napa cabbage remains a treasured ingredient with a legacy that continues to grow across cultures and generations. From boosting your health to enriching global cuisines, Napa cabbage is more than just a leafy green. It's a superfood with a rich history and incredible benefits. Will you be adding it to your diet?